Alright, I got an exhaust leak on this truck. I was trying to find it. Found this guy that used a vacuum blowing air through the exhaust on YouTube. So I went ahead and tried that. And it actually works really well. I could feel, I took off the air compressor, or the air conditioner compressor. I could feel some air blowing out here. Felt like it's coming out of the front, but where it's coming out of is right here. All the stuff is hidden behind here. Well, here you see what happened. There was supposed to be a bolt in there, so somebody snapped that bolt off there, and that's where the issue is. The air is leaking right out of there. Yeah, I can feel it coming right out of there. It's coming right here. Extremely frustrating. That's busted off there. I don't know what I'm going to do here. I'm trying to get rid of these trucks. I think it runs good, other than it's noisy. So I'm going to go ahead and fix it. A couple weeks ago, I was in here fixing, some rusted out brake lines and a rusted out vacuum line, because it has vacuum assist brakes on it. So I thought it was the brake booster, because that's what the light was coming on in the truck, but it was the vacuum line that was shot. And then I found the two rusted out brake lines. They were a little bit difficult to get on because they're right down inside here. I'm going to turn this vacuum back off. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do about that, or if I'm going to do anything about it. I mean, I guess the right thing to do would be to take off all these bolts and get that busted one out of there. Well, hopefully the rest of them won't bust as I'm taking it off of there. That would probably be the right thing to do. Don't really want to do it, but I've got these few trucks here I got to get rid of. I'll let you know how I make out.